Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Get Play Soon. In this video, we are going to discuss how to remove duplicates from a sorted array. Sorted array. You might have understood in the previous problem that sorted array is arranging in a particular way. 5, 6, 7, 8 are in ascending order. So it is a sorted array. Now, what are duplicates in the sorted array? 7 is mentioned twice. So this is a duplicate. A duplicate is something when an element is printed more than once in the array. So now our job is to remove this extra 7 from the sorted array. To do that, we first create a temporary array with the same size of given array, and then we'll start comparing. In the first iteration, I is equals to 0, we'll compare it and its adjacent element. So when I is equals to 0, comparing 0th element and first element, 5 and 6, both are different. Whenever the element is different, add the element to the temporary array. So 5 and 6 are different. So adding I is equals to 0th element, 5, to the temporary array. Now it is added. Moving on to our next iteration, I is equals to 1. Comparing 1 and second element, 6 and 7 are different. So adding 6 to the temporary array. Now moving ahead, when I is equals to 2, comparing second and third elements, both are 7, both are duplicates. So we are not adding anything to our temporary array. Moving ahead, when I is equals to 3, comparing third and fourth elements, 7 and 8 are different. So adding the 7 to our temporary array. Added. Now the last and very important step, that I is equals to 4. Since it's the last element of our array, there is nothing to compare with. So add the last element to the temporary array as it is. So we have added 8 also. After removing the duplicates, the array is 5, 6, 7, 8. We have successfully removed the 7th element, the third index, that is 7. So let's see how to code for this. First of all, declare the given array with the duplicate values and declare temporary array with the same size of given array. Then declare a variable j to keep track of number of unique elements in the given array. Now coming to the loop part. Using for loop, compare each element to its adjacent element, and if the two adjacent elements are not same, add to the temporary and increment. And the last and very important step is the last element. Just add it to the temporary array. Now copy the elements from temporary to array, print it. That's it. As simple as it. Moving ahead, let's analyze time complexity. We have three loops here. The first loop runs n times. N is the length of the array. So number of elements in the array, that many times the loop will run. So it is O of n. The second loop runs for j times. Probably if there is one duplicate, n minus 1, two duplicates, n minus 2. So j times, which is j is less than n. Third loop also runs j times. So it is near to O of n. 3 times of O of n, we remove the constants. So the time complexity of this program is O of n. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.